Hello, welcome to 3-Minute Tour Channel. Thank you for joining us. Here, we embark on fantastic journeys to breathtaking destinations worldwide. Through our videos, we share exciting travel experiences, provide essential tips and hidden gems, all while aiming to make you feel like you're traveling right alongside us. Get ready to indulge in amazing adventures with 3-Minute Tour Channel. Certainly, here are the top 5 local recommended restaurants in Sri Lanka for a smooth and enjoyable dining experience. Ministry of Crab. Colombo, known for its delicious seafood, Ministry of Crab is a popular restaurant located in Colombo. It offers a vibrant atmosphere, with a modern twist on traditional Sri Lankan cuisine. Don't miss their signature dishes like the crab curry and garlic chili prawns. The Mango Tree Kandy, situated in the scenic city of Kandy. The Mango Tree is a charming restaurant with a relaxed ambiance. They serve a mix of traditional Sri Lankan and international dishes, using fresh local ingredients. Try their hoppers, string hoppers, or the famous Sri Lankan rice and curry. The Fortress Resort and Spa Gale. This luxury resort in Gale is home to several fantastic restaurants offering diverse culinary experiences. The Heat Restaurant provides an excellent blend of local and international cuisine. With stunning ocean views, it's perfect for a memorable dining experience. The Ministry of Crab. Negombo. The Negombo branch of the Ministry of Crab offers a similar experience to its Colombo counterpart. Located near the beach, it provides a fantastic setting for seafood lovers. Indulge in their delectable crab dishes, such as the chili crab or pepper crab. The Palmyra Restaurant. Jaffna. If you're looking to explore the cuisine of northern Sri Lanka, the Palmyra Restaurant in Jaffna is a must-visit. It specializes in authentic Jaffna cuisine, including delicious seafood and vegetarian dishes. The atmosphere is cozy and inviting, making it a delightful dining spot. These restaurants combine great food, welcoming ambiance, and the flavors of Sri Lankan cuisine to provide an enjoyable dining experience. Please note that availability and operating hours may vary, so it's always a good idea to check before visiting. Subscribe and like. Have a wonderful day today as well. Thank you.